happy second year anniversary Road Warrior Eagles Club headed by Kuya Angel Lubanez from Southern Tagalog 3 with the governance of course with Kuya Rod Villacorta at sa napakaganda at napakabait niyang may bahay, Ate Apple Yabore. So naway pagpatuloy lang natin ang humanitarian mission sa ating mga kababayan. Napakalayo na nang narating ng Road Warrior at ipagpatuloy lang natin ang paglilingkod at yan lang naman ang ating adhikain. Again, congratulations and happy second year anniversary.